Today is the last day of meteorological spring. So this morning, we're looking ahead to the summer season.
Yeah, good question this morning. Will we see heat waves? What about those summer storms? Chester Lampkin is planning it all out for us in our countdown to summer. Chester, what can we expect when we think about the summer weather season?
Well, are you guys ready for some heat is the question.
Yeah, we're ready.
There's a lot
My
of
favorite
yeses going
season.
around. And for many, this is the best time to get out and about, but do know that we are expecting a hotter than average summer across our region. According to the Climate Prediction Center, we are outlooked in that warmer than average area here. There's DC and the DMV. Much of the East Coast will see warmer or hotter than average temperatures this summer as we go into meteorological summer. And we're likely to see slightly wetter than average weather as well as we go through the summer months. So what does that mean for us? Well, the average high in the month of June, which begins tomorrow when we start meteorological summer, average high is 85. July is our hottest month with an average high of 90, and August is our second hottest month with an average high of 88. As far as precipitation is concerned, this is when we get the highest amount of our rain. June and July are our two wettest months. So if we end up above average, that means we could eclipse these totals and we could use the rain. It's been dry so far this year. August, we do see a downtick in rain chances, so we'll be keeping an eye on that throughout the summer months. So with that said, guys, it looks a little bit hotter than average and a little bit damper than average, but that does mean that we'll get some dry time as well as we go through the next couple of months. So there won't be complete washout this summer.
Yeah, you know, there was a legitimate concern with some of my friends at the gym that this summer was going to be oppressive.
Right.
Yes. And then I don't know why. And I think at least the past couple of summers, it actually wasn't too terrible.
Right.
When you consider how the weather conditions were. So.
Right. So I think we'll see some similar to what we saw last summer, maybe a little bit above average, but we're not looking at super summer heat at this point. That's not the forecast.
So make sure your AC is working.
Yes. Check in
Be
on
prepared.
that right now.
And you have your sunscreen as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
And your pool pass if you got one.
And your pool pass.
Head over to Larry's pool.
And your